my obligation to tell you that. And I just kept reiterating to them that they're going to do the right thing and they're going to be safe and that they will be okay. Because those moments are very scary. And I believed them right away because these women would not make these things up. I mean, I know these women. I train with some of them. And Jessica I've known for a long time through different avenues in the sport, and I've always known her to be very, very trusting and just such a sweetheart. And it broke my heart that some of her innocence was taken away. And when she told me, I was so disappointed and disgusted with NASCAR that he would do this to our most vulnerable in our sport, because gymnasts